about leaving school. Back in 7th and 8th, 10th grade, it felt very far, very distant. Something I didn't need to think about yet. At that time, my biggest concern was when was the next PT period, the next picnic coming up. And somehow I blinked and I am in 10th. I don't know what to say because how do you sum up what has been almost your entire life? I joined the school when I was 4 years old. So like from PP1 till grade 10, 12 years, it has been an amazing journey. School didn't just give us memories, it made us who we are today. When I first joined, I was a complete scaredy cat. Like even if principals had just looked at me, when he was doing corridor rounds, I would turn back and run away. But now, participating in assemblies, competitions, making new friends, it slowly changed that. I became more confident, more comfortable, and more sure of myself. Every year, moving up a class felt exciting because new teachers, new classroom, new books, new stationery, which never lasted more than a few weeks. But it was still the same friends, the same people, the same building. And some of us were listening in class, some of us were mastering the art of looking like they were listening, even though most of the things were going above their heads. But in school, it was simple moments that lasted long. PT periods, the class no one ever complained about. Lunch breaks, where we shared food, stole food, talked about absolutely nothing important. We loved anything that helped miss classes. Annual day meant missing classes. Sports day meant missing classes. Basically, if it involved missing classes, we were very enthusiastic. But somehow, on the final day, it all worked together. And for that, I would like to thank my teachers. Thank you for explaining the same things again and again, for answering the same doubt, just phrased in different ways. Thank you for managing classrooms that never stayed quiet more than 5 minutes. Thank you for noticing the creative answers we wrote in exams, for making jokes in class, for scolding us when we deserved it, and constantly reminding us this chapter is important. And of course, thank you to my friends for making every ordinary day feel special, for making memories in hallways, grounds, front bench, back bench. School would not have been the same without you. And to all the 9th grades sitting here today, the next year is going to be a memorable one. Enjoy 10th fully, but study also, you'll need it. And I know most of you are like, what is all this unnecessary drama? I'm waiting for the bell to ring so I can go home. I thought of the same thing when I was in 9th, and all I'll say is, at the end of 10th, you will feel it too. Thank you so much for everything.